Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, before we proceed, okay, please click the subscribe button and also the ring button. Okay, so here guys, we have an old laptop here. Okay, so we will see what's the problem of this laptop. Okay, okay, let's open it. And okay, okay, let's put the power. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see what's the problem. If you can see guys, the keyboard the keyboard is defective. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this is we have to replace the keyboard. But for now, okay, we will use the external keyboard so we can do the operation. Okay, guys, let's see what's the problem. Okay, so if you can see guys, okay, the date is September 12, 2008. So the date is not much. Okay, so let's see what's the real problem of this laptop. Okay, okay, so let's open browser. Okay, okay, okay guys, okay, let's check if we can search something. Okay, let's say for example we search toy. Okay, we put toy. Okay. Let's see. Okay guys, so this is the problem. Okay, if you can see, okay guys, so this is the problem. The problem of this laptop. Okay, the problem of this laptop guys is, okay, you can see, okay, problem is, okay, if you can read it, your clock is behind, so that's why our clock here, so this is not correct. Okay, so this is not good. Okay, so what is the problem for um, this case? Okay, so we will check. Okay, but most of the time guys, when you see this kind of error, 99%, okay, 99% the problem is in the BIOS battery. Okay, so we will check the BIOS battery. Okay, so okay, so let's turn off this laptop. Okay, so we will check the battery. Okay, okay guys, let's open. Okay, let's open. Okay, at the back of the laptop. Okay, let's see if the battery is dead ball, or let's say dead. Okay, let's see if the battery is dead. Okay. Okay guys, I forgot. Okay, first thing first, before you open your laptop, okay, be sure to disconnect the battery. Okay, the backup battery. Okay, you have to disconnect this first. Okay, prevent hazard. Okay, so we have to remove the backup battery, okay, before we open, okay, the back of the laptop. Okay, let's open. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, let's open. Okay guys. Okay, it's open already. Okay, it's open already. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the backup battery. Okay, this is the backup battery. Okay, let's see. So guys, this is the CMOS battery, or okay, sometimes we call it the BIOS battery. Okay, so we will check if this battery is dead. Okay, let's see if the battery is dead. Okay, let's check it. Okay, let's remove the battery. Okay, so this is the battery. Okay, we have to check in our tester. Okay, let's check the voltage. Okay, the voltage of this battery is 3 volts. Okay, this battery is 3 volts. Okay, so we have to check 3 volts. Okay, so we got it guys, no voltage. Okay, so this battery is already dead, so we have to replace this battery. Okay, that's why the clock is behind. Okay, wait a moment guys, I will get one battery. Okay, a new one battery. Let's wait. Okay guys, so we have here a new battery. Okay, we will get one battery. Okay, and let's check if this new battery is okay. Okay, let's check the voltage. Okay, let's check the voltage. You have 3 volts. Okay guys, if you can see, okay, so 3 volts. Okay, and also we will check the current. Okay, the current is okay. So if you can see like that, okay, this is very good battery. Okay, again guys, so this is 3 volts battery. This is a very new battery. Okay, and this is the old battery. You can see dead. This is a dead battery. Okay guys, so we will replace a new battery. Okay, so guys, be careful. Okay, so we have to put the new battery. Okay, we have to put the new battery. Okay guys, you want to replace your battery of your laptop, be sure to install the battery in the right position. Okay, usually the battery is the positive polarity is upside. Okay, so we have the new battery. Okay, so this is the old battery. Let's check. Okay, again, so this is the old battery. Okay, the CMOS battery. CMOS battery is dead. Okay, so we replace a new battery. Okay guys, let's check. Okay, if the error is gone. Okay, Okay, let's close this back.
Walang mas yan?
Okay. Okay, let's
Ay, nasa na
close.
kayo?
Okay.
Patay ka. Eh, anong naalala mo? Anong naalala mo?
Okay, guys.
Eh, wala kayong mas ngayon? Eh, nasa na kayo? Sige, sige.
Hindi ko nakasakin mo, pwede walang mas.
Wala kami disposable. May pa, ano naman dito si Andrew. Sige.
Order pas bukas.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, after closing the back of the laptop, okay, you have to put back the
Hindi pa.
put back the backup battery. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, let's check. Okay, guys, let's check. Let's open again.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, let's see if the error is gone. Okay.
Ay, pareho silang walang mas? Saan na sila?
Okay, guys, let's open. Let's see what happened. Okay, we replaced the old battery. Okay, this battery is dead. Okay. Okay, guys, if you can see, okay, you will notice. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see what happened to the laptop. Oh, what happened to the laptop? Okay, guys, so if you can see, okay, so no error, but we have to, okay, for the first time you replace the battery. Okay, you have to, okay, update the date. Okay, let's set the date. Okay, let's set the date. So today is June. Okay, let's set the date. June 30, 2020, and the time is 12:09 p.m. Okay. 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 So you can see, guys, the time is now updated. Okay. So let's see if the battery is really good. Okay, we have to restart again. And let's see if this date will be not updated. Okay. Okay, let's restart. Okay, guys, let's wait for the final testing of this laptop. Okay, remember, guys, we replaced the battery because this battery is dead. Okay. Okay, guys, let's wait. Okay. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Let's wait for the last testing. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, if you can see, okay, we have the same date. Okay, the date today is June 30, 2020. Okay, guys, if you can see, okay, I will show you. Okay, if you can see, okay, the date is already updated. Okay, we restart and then again. The date is the same. June 30, 2020, 12:12 p.m. Okay, guys. Okay. For the final testing, okay, let's open browser. Okay. Let's see what happened. If we can open browser, okay, let's see. And let's see, okay, what will happen. Okay, we'll open browser. Okay, let's wait because our internet is very slow. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's search. Let's say, for example, let's search toy. Toy. Oh, toy. Okay. Okay, guys. So the laptop now is okay. Okay, no more error. We can browse anytime, anywhere you want. Okay, so guys, this is our video for today. Okay, I hope you like it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, before you go, just click the subscribe button on also the ring button. Okay, thank you guys and see you again. Bye bye.